Well, 47 seconds left. Canes will win the draw. Comes all the way back for Chatfield. He'll get it back in deep. That'll be on the stick of Drury. Now back for Orlov. Orlov, he scores! Dmitry Orlov picks the corner! 35.9 left, and the Canes take a 2-1 lead.
Month of January. How many third periods has Dmitry Orlov been dangerous offensively and hit posts? Just hasn't gotten a bounce, and you knew it was only a matter of time. There's no options to go to the front of the net, but the goaltender is still respecting the front of the net. Probably could have gone to bunting, but Orlov in his head is thinking, the goaltender Ingram is thinking you might go to bunting. And he absolutely buries it.